Everyone tells you that YouTube is the best way to get high ticket clients in 2025, but here's what they're not telling. 95% of coaches and service providers are making these three deadly mistakes that are killing their growth on YouTube. And the same mistakes appear over and over again with hundreds of coaches and online business owners who are trying to get clients through YouTube. And every single one of them was making at least one of these mistakes before working with us. And in this video, you'll discover exactly what these mistakes are and how to fix them so you can start attracting your dream clients through YouTube. And these are the exact same strategies that have transformed struggling coaches into client magnets. You'll get each mistakes broken down into detail with real examples and actionable solutions you can implement immediately. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why your YouTube efforts haven't been paying off and have a clear roadmap to turn things around. So grab a notebook because this might be the most important video you might watch this year for your coaching business. Mistake number one: creating content without a client attraction strategy. The first deadly mistake coaches make is creating random content without proper client attraction strategy. You might be posting motivational clips, random tips, and whatever feels right that day. And here's why is this killing your channel. First, your ideal clients can find you because your content isn't focused on their specific problems. Second, you're attracting the wrong audience who will never buy from you. And third, YouTube's algorithm can figure out what your channel is about. And what most coaches don't realize is that YouTube's success isn't just about getting views, it's about getting the right views. And when you create random content, you might occasionally get a viral video, but those viewers rarely convert into clients. Instead, you need a strategic approach that positions you as the go to expert for a specific problem. This creates a compounding effect where YouTube starts recommending your content to exactly the people who need your services. And let me be completely honest with you, many coaches struggle with this when starting their YouTube journey. They post 3 times a week, jumping between topics like morning routines, success mindsets, and productivity hacks. 6 months in, and they have barely any subscribers and definitely no clients. And it feels like shouting into the void. Maybe you felt that frustration too. Putting in hours of work with nothing to show for it. Tony Robbins said it best: success leaves clues. People who succeed at the highest level are not lucky. They're doing something different than everyone else, and he's absolutely right. The difference is strategy. And this matters so much because without a clear client attraction strategy, you're essentially playing the lottery with your content. When you align every video with your ideal client journey and problems, suddenly YouTube transforms from a time sink into a predictable client attraction system. We had a client who was posting 3 times per week for 6 months with zero results. And why? Because they were just copying other coaches without a strategy. Once implementing a proper client attraction framework, they started getting discovery call bookings within just 3 weeks. And here's what you need to do instead. First, identify your ideal client's biggest pain points. Get specific here. And what keeps them up at night? What problems are they actively searching for solutions to? Second, create a content specifically addressing those pain points. Use their language, speak their specific situation, and position yourself as the guide who understands exactly why they're going. Finally, structure your content to pre-sell your high-ticket offer. Every video should naturally lead to viewers and to want more to what you offer. Now that we have uncovered how to create strategic content, let's move to another critical mistake that's probably eating up all your time. Mistake number two: over editing and trying to be the perfect. And you may be spending 10 to 15 hours editing a single video, adding fancy transitions, and trying to make it look like a Hollywood production. This is killing your growth because first, you can't post consistently when each video takes forever to create. Second, you're focusing on the wrong metrics: video quality versus client results. And third, your authenticity gets lost in overproduction. The hidden truth about YouTube success is that the algorithm rewards consistency more than the production quality. When you post regularly, YouTube sees your channel as effective and reliable, which leads to more recommendations. Additionally, your prospects are looking for someone they can trust and relate to, not a polished corporate video. They want to see the real you, your personality, your expertise, and your genuine desire to help. Over editing strips away these authentic moments that actually helps build connection. And you might find yourself starting at your computer at 2 a.m., blurry eyed, still editing a video that you already spent 14 hours on, tweaking transitions, adjusting color grading, and obsessing over every word you said. The truth is, many coaches hide behind perfectionism because they're afraid their content isn't good enough. They record the same section 15 times, trying to say it perfectly. The result, they're completely exhausted and can only publish once every few weeks. As Brene Brown powerfully said, perfectionism is not the same as striving for excellence. Perfectionism is not self improvement, It's self-destruction. This is powerful because perfectionism is actually destroying your chance at success. Here's why this matters. Your audience doesn't connect with perfect production, they connect with authentic personalities who deliver the real value. In fact, our data shows that exactly imperfect, authentic videos often outperform highly polished ones in both engagement and conversion rates. Here's what you need to do instead: focus on delivering value over perfect production. Ask yourself, will this edit actually help my viewer to get better results, or I'm just trying to make myself look good? Use simple, clean edits that don't distract from your message. A basic intro, clean cuts, and maybe some text overlays is all you need. Aim for consistency over perfection. A good enough video that gets published beats a perfect video that never sees the light of the day. Now that you're creating strategic content without getting bogged down in perfectionism, let's talk about the final mistake that's costing your clients. Mistake number three: no clear call to action or strategy. The biggest mistake of all is not having a clear call to action strategy that converts viewers into calls. Most online business owners either don't include call to action at all, make weak, passive CTAs that don't drive action, or use the wrong CTA for their audience stage of awareness. The psychology behind this is fascinating. Many viewers actually finish your videos wanting more help but don't know how to get it. Without a clear CTA, they experience what a psychologist calls decision fatigue. They have too many possible next steps and so they take none. By providing a single clear path forward, you're not being pushy, you're reducing cognitive load and making it easier for them to get the help they want. Moreover, when you watch your CTA to their awareness level, you're meeting them exactly where they are in their journey, which dramatically increases conversion rates. This is absolutely killing your ability to get clients because you're not giving viewers a clear path to work with you. And many coaches end their videos with something like, "Thanks for watching. Hope that was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe," and then they wonder why they have to subscribe but no clients. They're uncomfortable asking for the next step because they don't want to be seen salesy. And does that sound familiar? It's only when you study successful channels that you realize something important. Viewers actually want clear direction on what to do next when they find your content valuable. As Simon Sinek insightfully said, people don't buy what you do, they buy what you do it. Your call to action isn't just something about getting clients. Your call to action isn't just about getting clients. It's about inviting people who resonate with your why to take to the next step in their journey. The value here is transformative. A strategic CTA doesn't just get you clients, it helps people who need your services actually find them. Without this bridge, you're creating content that helps people a little bit, but never gave them the opportunity to experience the full transformative you offer. We work with coaches, online business owners who had 15K subscribers but hardly any clients. Her content was excellent, but she never asked people to take the next step. Once we implemented the proper CTA strategy, she started getting 15 to 20 discovery calls per month from her existing content. And here's what you need to do instead: include one clear, compelling CTA in every video. Be direct about what you want viewers to do and why it benefits them. Create content that naturally leads to your offer, and your offer should create a desire for more help that your offer perfectly satisfies. Use proven CTA scripts that actually convert. Test different approaches, but always make it clear, compelling, and focus on the viewer's transformation. So those are the three deadly mistakes you need to avoid if you want to grow your channel and actually get clients from YouTube. Now you have two options. Take everything shared in this video and implement it yourself, spending months figure out all the details, testing what works, and hopefully getting it right eventually. Or let our team handle everything for you, from content strategy to poor production, so you only need to spend 2 to 4 hours per month recording, while we guarantee you 10 to 30 qualified calls per month. And if option 2 sounds better to you, click the first link in the description to learn more about how we can help you build a client attracting YouTube channel. Also, check out the video we've linked next where we share our exact content creation process that gets results for our clients every single time. Hit subscribe for more YouTube marketing strategies and we'll see you in the next video.